me introduce myself. I am Lutfia Mulyaristi. I am a student A1 class. First of all, I would like to deliver about my university and major. Indonesian and Literature Education at University Muhammadiyah Tangerang. University Muhammadiyah Tangerang placed in the middle of city. One of favorite university in Tangerang. I interest in majoring Indonesian Literature Education because Indonesian is our first language and used in daily language. The second one, I would like to deliver about my faculty that I choose, namely Teacher Training and Education Faculty. Teacher Training and Education Faculty at University Muhammadiyah Tangerang, established since 2009. There are 6 study programs such as English Education, Indonesian and Literature Education, Primary School Teacher Education, Islamic Education, Mathematics Education, and Earlier Childhood Education. There are so many people in Tangerang choosing University Muhammadiyah Tangerang to be the next bright future as a teacher professional. If you want to be a professional teacher and learn more about education, please choose University Muhammadiyah Tangerang in Teacher Training and Education Faculty. My faculty, there is a vision and mission for vision. First one, organizing faculties based on teaching, scientific development, educational, technology, arts, culture, and religion. 2. Organizing faculty based on scientific research, educational, technology, arts, culture, and religion. 3. Organizing a faculty based on community service. 4. Describe the academic atmosphere of Islam in Muhammadiyah. 5. Improve representative facilities and infrastructure. 6. Collaborating with internal and external institutions that are relevant to the culture, dharma, and of Teacher Training and Education Faculty University Muhammadiyah Tangerang. 7. Improving the quality of educator and education staff. Yang 8. Increase certification to stakeholders for MISI to be an excellent and Islamic faculty of teacher training and education in field education, research, and community service in Banten province. In major that I took, there are so many subjects that learn more about Indonesian and literature education, such as Indonesian prose and poetry, Indonesian syntax, Indonesian morphology, Indonesian phonology, and etc. They are skill gained from my major. First one, written skill. 2. Analysis text skill. 3. Oral communication skill. 4. Reading comprehension skill. That is the most important skill that I need. The reason why I chosen this study program that I have explained above, because Indonesian and literature education did not so many competitors, only a special people that chosen it. Almost all universities have this study program, especially in University Muhammadiyah Tangerang, that have trusted this major is not only make paragraph in a text but learn more about Indonesian and literature education that never you learned before, such as morphology, syntax, phonology, and etc. Another reason is you often read a text that important. Then you have to analyze the text, not just read it. You will also be learning pedagogy education, such as education science, education management, educational psychology, and other subjects that will support become a professional teacher. There are so many advantages that will be obtained when we took this major. The first one, go international. Yup, the Indonesian and literature education also has opportunity to go international. If your English skill is fluent, you can become tutor or teacher in foreign school such as Australia. Of course, you also must have insight into Indonesian culture as a support. The second one, there are a lot of skill. Make no mistake, going to college in this, you will learn various language skills from reading, listening, and speaking. The third one, the Indonesian unites the nation. Indonesian is the national language, as our daily language. proclaiming independence and become unifying language for the nation. It can be said that without the Indonesian, there would be no doctor, engineer, pilot, or another profession in Indonesian in transmitter knowledge. Afterward, from University Muhammadiyah Tangerang, you can be a professional teacher. There are so many career opportunities if you take this major. Not only become a teacher, you can become translator, foreigner, journalist, professional, writer, learning and development. The most interesting, you also have opportunity become an Indonesian language teacher about talk the Indonesian language program for foreign speaker designed by the language agency. That's all about my university and study program, Indonesian and Literature Education. Explanation, forgive me if I made a mistake. Thank you for watching this video. Presented for fulfill English subject. I hope all of you can be interested to course this major.